Hello, thank you for having me. My name is Dan Magnuski. PeopleHedge is a company that is leveling the international playing field for small and medium-sized businesses by allowing them to use the same risk management tools that large corporations use every day. Our simple online product acts like insurance for your exchange rate, and we do this without actually conducting the currency exchange. Talk about Andre. Andre's an exporter, and as such, he has to set his price today in another currency, but he's not paid until 30 days after he ships. This exposes him to foreign exchange rate risk, and even small fluctuations in the exchange rate can affect his bottom line. If we were to help all of the Andres in the United States in 2011, it'd be a $10 billion opportunity for PeopleHedge. Now, in that year, small, medium-sized businesses conducted over $1 trillion in international trade. And this is in goods, not services. If you look at the global market, it's obviously much larger. So when Andre has a problem in foreign exchange, usually he turns to his bank or broker. Well, the banks have a problem as well. They know that there are products out there that are much too large in scale, and it's just not profitable for them to sell them to Andre. That leaves Andre in a bind. He can either forego international sales, or he can gamble on foreign exchange rates. Well, there's a better way for Andre, for the bank, and for the end consumer. The PeopleHedge way. We sell a product that behaves like exchange rate insurance. The exchange rate moves against Andre, we pay dollar for dollar to make him whole. If it moves in his favor, he simply keeps the profits. Let's take a look at the product. On the left-hand side, we have the direct transaction product. This is where Andre would go if he knew he had a transaction in the future and he wanted to hedge it. On the left-hand side, we have the automated at the point of purchase product. And so let's say a customer in France wants to purchase a case of wine from Andre. On his website, it would show the price in dollars and in euros. If the customer pays in dollars, Andre's a happy guy. If he pays in euros, included in the price is a micro hedge that guarantees that Andre will receive the correct amount of dollars or more no matter what happens to the exchange rate. Easy currency hedging. We can do this because we aggregate the risks of all these small customers into fully transparent, liquid, and exchange-traded currency options. And our revenue model is very simple. We charge an upfront transaction fee for the service. And we also can generate an algorithmic trading bonus based on how the markets behave. What's great is that we do not have to speculate as to future exchange rates, nor do we use leverage in order to make these trades. So if there's an actual payout to Andre, the options we purchase more than compensate for that liability. And if the exchange rate moves in his favor, like we said, he just gets to keep those profits. We see a great opportunity in white labeling this to banks in particular. Right now, these customers have really no opportunity to have both downside protection and upside in a foreign exchange situation. So existing banks can sell this product to their existing clients, and they can attract new clients by differentiating themselves from another bank. There's also a new complementary revenue stream and doesn't compete with their other products. And again, we do not conduct currency exchange. We strictly protect the exchange rate of the customer. Not a lot of people want to help small businesses protect their foreign exchange rate. However, there are two companies that are venture-backed that do risk management for small businesses. PriceLock helps them by protecting their fuel prices, by protecting them against fuel price spikes. The Climate Corporation sells farmers rain insurance, either against too little or too much rain. At PeopleHedge, we feel we have a great first-mover advantage in foreign exchange. We have a patent pending for our trading algorithm, and our proprietary knowledge would make it expensive and difficult for another contender to compete with us. Put together a team with over 20 years of finance and engineering experience. I myself worked in option pits at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. I've worked as a manufacturing executive in Chicago, and I prepared nuclear reactors as an engineer for General Electric. Paul Gudritis brings a highly technical background. He's already further optimized our trading algorithms. Joe Rothermick, former hedge fund manager, he's in charge of product development and already has created our MVP. On the advisory side, we have John Corey. He advises us on venture capital. He's seen many companies go from startup to successful exit, including the car sharing company Zipcar. On the regulatory side, we have John Corey, a former lawyer for the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, who's already drawn up all of our documents. We're ready for launch. And Mike Sommer, our trading advisor, has already operated his own trading firm in Chicago for over a decade. So in summary, vote for us. We're ready to go. All we need is a regulatory partner in the form of a bank or another large business. We're looking for regulatory approval. We have financing needs of $400K, in which we'll be able to launch our pilot phase. And we're looking for partners for pilot sales. At PeopleHedge, we look to fundamentally change the way small and medium businesses interact in the global economy. With the help of one of Swift's member partners, we can make easy currency hedging a reality. Thank you very much.